Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable eBay managed payments for streamlined business operations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the account section in your account settings. Look for the payments option in the left-hand menu. Click on payments to access your current payment methods. Find the option to enroll in managed payments. Read through the information provided about managed payments. Once you're ready, click on the Enroll button. Follow the prompts to enter your business information, including your bank account details. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any issues. Review the terms and conditions related to managed payments. Agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Click on Submit to send your enrollment request. You will receive a confirmation email once your enrollment is being processed. Wait for eBay to review your application for managed payments. Check your email regularly for updates on your enrollment status. If approved, follow any additional steps provided in the email. Log back into your eBay account to ensure managed payments is now enabled. Review your payment settings to confirm everything is set up correctly. Start processing sales through eBay's managed payments. Monitor your payments and transactions through the payments dashboard. Make necessary adjustments to your listings if needed. Ensure you stay informed about any updates to eBay's managed payments policies. Regularly check for any notifications from eBay regarding your account. Reach out to eBay support if you encounter any issues during the process. Now you're set up for streamlined business operations with managed payments on eBay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.